quick update on the application that I have been working on. In the long run, I'm trying to develop a product that can do something, and I have been working on my full-time jobs, and then I really didn't have much time to work on something in the last couple of months. But last couple of days, I thought like, why not I finish at least one features? So this is how it works. I'm trying to use it in the future for a lot of dashboarding kinds of thing. Like I got this inspiration when I was working on some of the log monitoring tools as well as some Salesforce tools where especially I think it's from the Microsoft Excel have something similar features. So what does it mean is like I plan to use this like these are pretty much my personal transaction honestly, but let's see how it goes. So what it is like, um, I am planning to make an upload. So basically these are the uploaded file I have previously, and what happened is like based on the upload, uh, um, it can be CSV. In the future this I'm trying to do it like maybe instead of CSV, what if I can do it for database connection, like any database. For now I can just upload a CSV file using this form, but in future I will allow other file formats also. And if I go and show, I can see the data, whatever data is available, and then I can create a new visualization, or I can see the list of visualization. And this page is still not working, but what I can do is like create a new one, and based on that, like let's say do a count of city, and it's gonna give me all the city count. I can add the count of first name also on top of it, since it's kind of same, so the data is not very good for this, but I think what I can do is subscription date is kind of nice. There are some one data I think I can do is pretty easier, but let's say I do this one. Item type, I can see all these item type, and then by country I can do, um, also I can do this way. So I have like snacks, total 82 country 82, kind of one-to-one mapping because of the data size, but it depends on how the data was set up. Order priority I can do. One thing I can tell is like the I can do like different thing like sum, count, max, and minimum at this point for the aggregation part. uh, but yeah, I know a lot of the time it doesn't work yet because I don't have a exact format of data. For example, for total cost I know it should be a number, I believe, but if I look at the total cost, it's a number, so which is good. Now if I do uh, okay, I forget to like everything I do it gets saved, so automatically, so it's very nice actually. Then total cost, I can do sum of total cost, so it's like I can do sum, I can do max also based on the unit, so that also works. I don't know, there is a bug, probably sometimes it just doesn't work, but at least I know that this works, and this gets automatically saved, right? For example, just now I was working on this data, so these are automatically saved here, so which is nice, and I do really like how it works so far. I'm gonna update in the future what's going on in this product. I'm using Rails for this in the backend, and most of the things are done for Rails hotwire. So basically, if you see the network connection, um, when I drag and drop, it's a Ajax call. in the hardware, as well as when I save something, for example, instead of sum I want to do count. Actually it goes as a Ajax connection also. We and it changes automatically. Like if you see count, if I do sum, it just changes to sum, and all those logs are it just get updated. So which is nice. Yeah, so at least I have something working basic. Maybe next time when I'm gonna give update, I'm gonna uh, export this into a project, maybe deploy in Ifirico for testing. Uh, but before that, I want to make it at least some nice visualization. Like the UI doesn't look nice, but at least it has some basic work. Now, yeah, this is one of thing. Like 13, I can create a new one, and this will be. So if you see 13, it was now it I create a new one, it become a 16 now, which is nice. So I can create as much as visualization as I want to. Another thing I want to work is like if I have account, um, what I want to do is based on this, like if I create um, more parameter like a country and order group by, I want to be able to create two directly to chart, and I want the user to be able to choose what types of chart they are choosing. Currently I am using Chart.js, which is a library which pretty much works for me. And so basically I want to be able to include all this chart. At this point I am using only the bar chart. I can use line chart, whatever. And the most use case I can think of is like, let's say you have a lot of data and you want to just dump your data somewhere and see the visualization and save it, or daily reporting or something like that. I believe that will be a good use case. Let's see how it goes. I hope this is interesting. Let me know if you have any question. That's all. Thank you.